Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let me to discuss with the new bit, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So most important for annual examination purpose. In this bit there is a question, either it may be 2 marks or 3 marks. Let me to know that what is meant by symmetric matrix. The definition of symmetric matrix is a matrix A means there is a matrix capital A is called symmetric matrix if the transpose of matrix A is equal to the matrix A. There is a condition A is equal to A transpose. Remember one thing, or Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. For example, just I am going to take a matrix A is equal to this is my matrix, order is 3 cross 3, -1 0 5 0 3 -3, and here 5 -3 and 1. The question is, this is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Is it symmetric? Yes, because first of all I need to do that the given matrix has to make it as a transpose. Okay, transpose means what here? Interchanging row into the column. See here, this is my first column, and 0 3 -3 5 -3 1, isn't it? Now A is equal to, that should be A transpose. Comparing these two, see here, the first row -1 0 5, again it is -0 5, and 0 3 -3, again here also 0 3 -3, 5 -3 1, 5 -3 1. It means what? The given matrix A has to be transpose. The transpose of the matrix and the given matrix should be equal. If it is equal, such a matrix we can call it as A is a symmetric matrix. A is a symmetric matrix. Or else, if it is, you are getting difficult to find the symmetric, okay, there is a shortcut method. Just I am going to change the ink. Okay, there is a shortcut method. These elements we can call it as principal diagonal elements, isn't it? The upper, there is an above the principal diagonal elements, above the principal diagonal elements overlap to the below the principal diagonal elements. Overlap means just I am going to folding. If it is I am going to fold this principal diagonal elements, this element will be images of this position. Again, this element will be overlap to the this position. Again, overlap to this position of element to the, so this position. It means what? So there is a condition. See here, this condition is applicable here. What is the position of this element? A 1 2, first row second column is equal to A to 1. See here, A to 1, Ji, I equal to 1, J equal to 2, it is equal to J is equal to 2, I equal to 1, A12 is equal to A21. Similarly here also, A13 is equal to what here? A31. See here, A31 third row first column is equal to the first row third column. Similarly, this element A23 is equal to A32. All position of elements are equal. Either you can choose this method or else this method. So if it exists, we can call it as A is a symmetric matrix. Next one. Okay. Similarly, skew symmetric matrix. Again, a square matrix A is called skew symmetric matrix if the transpose of a matrix A is equal to negative of a matrix A. It means, see here, this condition obey. A equal to minus A transpose. For example, just I am going to take example. A is equal to again 3 cross 3. Just I am going to take all principal diagonal elements are 0. So later I will tell you why I am going to take these elements are 0. Okay. 1, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 5 and minus 5. Okay. So if I am going to do that, the transpose of A, see here, if I am going to do A transpose, so what is the value of A transpose? 0, 1, 3. Interchanging rows into the column. 0 minus 5 and minus 3, 5 and 0. Now see the difference between A and A dash. The first row containing 0, 1, 3, but here 0, minus 1, minus 3. It means there is a minus sign will be common for first row. See the second row, minus 1, 0, minus 5, but here 1, 0, 5. Again here also minus be the common. It means what? If I am going to take minus be the common in A transpose, we get A transpose is equal to minus common. What is the value? 0, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 5, minus 3, 5 and 0. This is my minus of this transpose. Again, A dash is equal to minus as it is. The whole matrix is nothing but, is it A? Yes, it is A. It means such matrix we can call it as skew symmetric matrix. The difference is Aij equal to Aj, but here Aij equal to minus of Aj. That element should containing opposite sign. Same element, opposite sign. See here, this is mine skew symmetric matrix. A is a skew symmetric matrix. It is not symmetric, it is skew symmetric. Why it is not symmetric? Because these two elements are not same. In symmetric condition will be same, but in skew symmetric matrix element will be same but opposite sign. It contain it opposite sign. See here 1 of minus 1. If it is 3, here minus 3. If it is 5 and minus 5. The principal diagonal elements always 0 because of, later I will tell you the condition. Okay, there is a note. If we take I equal to j, if we take I equal to j, see here. So this is the condition of skew symmetric matrix, isn't it? If it is, the condition is Aij equal to Aji, this is symmetric condition. This is my skew symmetric condition. Be careful. Element should be same, but here element same but opposite sign. Okay, if I equal to j means just I am going to replace j by I. What will happen? A, I, equal to minus a, j is equal to I, means I. Now simplify. I minus I has to be shifted into LHS. Again it is plus I equal to 0. What is mean by AII? 2 times of AII equal to 0. AII equal to 0 divided by 2. AII equal to 0. AII means what? This is our diagonal elements, isn't it? II means what? 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. It is not differ, it is equal, same, elements are same. That's why after getting this value, write the statement, the principal diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. That's why I have taken all the principal elements are 0, because of this condition will exist, AII equal to 0. Later, this is the example. This is the example. See here, is it skew symmetric? Just you do that. First of all, A transpose. See, this is my A transpose. Okay, and the comparing the matrix with A, there is a minus sign will be, there is a minus sign. That's why minus be the common. For this matrix, A dash is equal to minus common 0, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 6, 1, 6, 0. See here. Now comparing A and A transpose, this is A dash is equal to minus A, or else minus A dash is equal to A. Here multiplying with minus sign. Minus on both side, multiplying minus on both side, we get minus A dash is equal to A. See here, this is our A matrix. Okay, by observing directly we can say that this is skew symmetric matrix. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 2 -2 ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, -1 ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈನ್, +1 overlap, -6 to +6. Okay, this is our skew symmetric matrix. Okay, this is the most important theorem for annual examination purpose. Such theorem will carry 3 marks. The statement is, for any square matrix A with real entries A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Our intention is to prove that there is a square matrix A with real entries. If I am going to add A with A transpose by adding A with A transpose by adding, the resultant is symmetric matrix. Okay, and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Again, with subtract with A transpose, the resultant is skew symmetric matrix. First of all, I am going to prove this theorem. We should know that what we know that, what is the condition of symmetric? A equal to A transpose. Okay, A equal to minus A transpose. This is symmetric condition, this is skew symmetric condition. So be careful. If you know this statement, easily you can prove here. The proof of this theorem, let us take, let B equal to A plus A transpose. Okay, applying, what is our intention? If B be the whole matrix, okay, B means the total matrix is B. I need to prove B equal to B dash. Remember one thing, B equal to B dash, then only we can say that it is symmetric. Applying transpose on both sides. We get here B transpose is equal to A plus A transpose of whole transpose. We know the property of transpose, A plus B transpose. We know that the properties, previous class I have taken A plus B whole dash, sorry, just take capital A plus B whole dash means what here? A dash plus B dash. Similarly here also A dash plus A dash of whole dash. Again we know the property A dash of whole dash is equal to what here? A. It is equal to A dash plus A dash of whole dash means this is our A. It is equal to what it means? A plus A dash means what here? That is matrix B. See here B dash is equal to B. We get here B dash is equal to B. Therefore B is equal to A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. It is my symmetric matrix. Similarly, you take C is equal to, next I need to prove that A minus A dash is skew symmetric. I told you what is the condition of skew symmetric. A equal to minus A transpose. This is my condition of skew symmetric. But if C is a matrix, I need to prove that C equal to minus C dash. I need to prove this statement. I need to prove this statement. Okay, again what we have to do? Applying transpose on both sides. C dash is equal to A minus A dash of whole dash. Again we know the property. Which property? A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Later A dash minus A dash minus A dash of whole dash is equal to A dash of minus, again we know the property of A dash of whole dash is equal to what here? Again A. Similarly here also A. If we are going to take minus be the common term, what we get here? A, that is minus of A dash. Be careful, minus common. This is my LHS C dash. Now C dash is equal to minus C. A minus A dash means what here? A minus A dash means what here? That is C. Here also C. Or else we can also be write C equal to minus C dash. Therefore C is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is the proof. Next, theorem 2, most important, but this theorem statement is most important. Proof will not ask you in the examinations, but statement is most important. The statement is, for any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, A plus A dash is symmetric, A minus A dash is skew symmetric, because the previous one I did solve that A plus A dash and A minus A dash. So sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix that should be expressed as a matrix A. Means we take some problems regarding the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, then only you can easily solve. Problems. Okay, the problem is express the matrix has the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. The solution is, let us take, just I am going to naming A is equal to 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 3. This is my matrix A. Okay. If this is a matrix A, our intention is to prove sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That is the given theorem. The theorem is theorem number 2. What is our matrix? A is equal to 1 by 2 bracket of symmetric plus skew symmetric. This is the statement of the previous theorem. Our intention is to express the given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Let us make that the given matrix A to find A transpose. What is our A transpose? 6 minus 2, 2, okay, minus 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. This is mine A transpose. Let us calculate A plus A dash. After getting this value, find A plus A dash is equal to, A means what here? 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 3. A plus A transpose 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 3. What is the sum of these two? 6 plus 6, 12, minus 4 and 4. Minus 4, 6, 0, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 1 plus 1, 0, 3 plus 3 is 6. See here, I told you what is the condition of symmetric. See, this is my principal diagonal elements. So these overlap, the overlapping element will be same with sign also. Okay. So therefore A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. It means what? See here, by observing the matrix A, it is not a symmetric. Oh yes, it is not a symmetric. Here 1 and minus 1, isn't it? It is not a symmetric, but transpose and the given matrix we will be make it as an addition, then the resultant is symmetric. Clear? Similarly, later after getting this value, find A minus A dash. A minus A dash. So A minus A dash is equal to, A means the given matrix 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus of A dash. A dash means what? 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 3. Subtract these two. What we get? 6 minus 6 minus 2 of minus 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2, 3 minus 3, and 1 minus of minus 1 is plus 1, and 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1 of minus 1, 3 minus 3. It is equal to how much here? See here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, minus 2, 0. See, it is our skew symmetric matrix A minus A dash. Therefore, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. But our intention is to calculate what we need to find the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. That should be a given matrix. So what is the formula? A is equal to 1 by 2, be careful, big bracket. This is our A plus A dash plus A minus A dash, bracket close, is equal to 1 by 2. What is our A plus A dash? This is A plus A dash. This is a value 12 minus 4, 4 minus 4, 0, sorry 6, 0, 4, 0, 6. This is A plus A dash, again A minus A dash, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0 minus 2, 0. Okay, so big bracket will be closed because still I need to multiply with 1 by 2. Okay, just I should do that 1 by 2 as it is, the sum of two matrices. We know the procedure. That should be corresponding elements. 12 plus 0, 12, minus 4, 4, minus 4, 6, 2, 4, minus 2 and 6. Now dividing 1 by 2. Dividing 1 by 2. Dividing 1 by 2 means it is equal to 12 divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 2. Simplify here. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Just I am going to write here 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Remember one thing. So the whole resultant is again a given matrix. See here, the same matrix. That's why this is our given matrix has been expressed sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Just cancel 6, 2, 2, okay, 2, 3, cancel 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Okay, let us go with the next example. In this example, I need to show that the given matrix is symmetric matrix. It is not sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. See the previous example. So there is a statement of sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. But here I need to prove this is symmetric matrix. We know the condition. What is the condition? A plus A dash, isn't it? If the sum of these two will be symmetric, yes, the given matrix A is symmetric. Okay, A as it is 1 minus 1, 3, 5, 1 minus 6, 8, 0 minus 1. A plus A transpose 1 minus 1, 3, 5, 1 minus 6, 8, 0 minus 1. This is A dash, A plus A dash. Now adding these two, 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 5, 4, 11, 5 minus 1, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 6, this is 11, minus 6, and here minus 2. See here, is it symmetric matrix? Yes, symmetric. See here, the non-diagonal elements means non-diagonal elements will pre-images of each other. That's why A is a symmetric. In case of the problem will ask you show that it is skew symmetric, then you should do that A minus A dash. Be careful. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, express as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So be careful. The given problem is we need to express as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we know the condition A is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, A is equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. Okay, so solution of the previous example. A is equal to, what is the given matrix? 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Okay, first of all I need to calculate what is the transpose of this matrix. 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. The first thing is find symmetric condition A plus A dash. A means what here? 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2 plus A transpose 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 and 2. Adding these two, the corresponding elements, 3 plus 3 6, 3 minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5, minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. We know that. Is it symmetric or not? Yes, it is symmetric. See here. Therefore A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Later find here A minus A dash. So what is our A? 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Subtract with A transpose 3 minus 2 minus 4 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 and 2. It is equal to, subtract 3 minus 3, 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, minus 1 of minus 4 means plus 4, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 plus 2, 1 minus of minus 5 is plus 5, minus 4 of minus plus, minus 5 of minus 1 and 2 minus 2. It is equal to 0 1 3 minus 5 0 6 and here minus 3, here minus 6 0. Once again minus 3 minus 6 and 0. Okay, this I'm going to write here. Wait 5 minutes. I need to do here the given statement of the theorem, the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay, that is A is equal to 1 by 2 big bracket of A plus A dash plus A minus A dash. A is equal to 1 by 2 as it is, A plus A dash. What is the matrix? 6, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4 and 4 plus A transpose 0, 1, 3 minus 5, sorry, I have done little bit mistake. Minus 5, 3 of, sorry, 3 plus 2 here 5, 5 here 3 if it is minus 3, 6 and minus 6. Okay, minus here take it as a 5, 0, 6 minus 3 minus 6, 0. Skew symmetric. Just write down here. A minus A dash is a skew symmetric. Okay, A as it is 1 by 2, 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 5, 6, minus 5 plus 3, minus 2, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 and plus 2, minus 8, minus 10 and 4. If we are going to divide 1 by 2, what is the value? If I am going to divide 1 by 2, if I am going to divide 1 by 2, 6 by 2, 6 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 4 by 2 and 2 by 2, minus 8 by 2, minus 10 by 2 and 4 by 2. A equal to what here? 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. See here, this is my given matrix. So this is the proof. So this is for homework. So try yourself. Thank you for watching this video.